How's it going, guys? So we are out again on the Tarka trail. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. It's going to be about 25 degrees today, so I thought I'd come out for a ride. And I've got a new camera that I'm using here, which is the Osmo Pocket 4. So I'm going to try shooting in 4K today as well, and just going to dial in the settings and just have a little play around with it. See how it is. So yeah, we'll probably head out towards Meath again. I think the last time I came out here when I put the video up was around winter time, so you'll get to see what difference it is during the summertime. But yeah, let's get cracking down the trail, and hopefully there's not too many people around today, and we'll have a nice ride, so let's get going. Alright guys, so we're probably about 3.5, 4 miles in to our ride so far. I'm not using the electric at the moment, so I need to get some exercise. But yeah, we got some beautiful views coming up just in front of us at where these bridges are. So when we get up there, I'll let you take a quick look. But yeah, it's really nice up here. I'm interested to see how the camera does as well, because this one, the colours look more natural. With the Pocket 3, they seem to be a bit cooler, and you get more dynamic range, so get some good shots and see how they look. Alright guys, so we're about 7 miles in. It's just been a kind of steady uphill for the last mile or so. So a bit puffed up. We got a long, steeper uphill coming that goes for about 3 miles. So maybe I'll use the assist on that, we'll see. But yeah, about 7 miles in. Probably about 6 more miles to go to get to Meath Quarry. 6 or 5 miles, something like that. But yeah, we're making good progress. And so far so good with the camera by the looks of it. It's hard to tell on a small screen, but it looks alright so far. So let's keep cracking, and we'll catch up with you a bit further up. Alright guys, so we're probably about 8.5 minutes in, something like that. I'm pretty pooped now. We're going up that steep 3-mile hill, and we're probably nearly halfway up it now, so not doing too bad, and I'm determined to make the whole thing without using the electric. So yeah, we're just cruising on up there. I just stopped in the shade for a bit to have a quick drink and a little breather. Yeah, it's just important to push yourself a bit. I think the older you get, I'm 49 now, so things are only going to go downhill from here, so it's important to kind of push yourself. I do my exercises at home, like push-ups, sit-ups and whatnot, but this is a good bit of cardio. So yeah, like I said, we're probably about 7.5, 8 miles into the trip now, about halfway nearly up this hill, and yeah, we're just cruising nice and steady, and we should be at the top, and then there's a lot of downhill after that for several miles, so that's always nice. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna have a quick drink and we'll crack on. Alright guys, so we've just made it to the top of that steep hill, long hill. So I'm happy I pushed through without using the electric. Now we've got a lot of downhill to go, which is nice. Problem today is it's really humid as well, which makes it feel horrible. But yeah, we're moving along at a decent pace. We've only got about another, what is it, 5 or 6 miles till we get to Meath Quarry. So yeah, just going to keep on chugging along, and we'll be there before you know it. So let's crack on. This is another nice part of the trail. It's fairly quiet. There's always loads of rhododendron. I think that's what they are, growing on the left. Although the flowers have disappeared for the most part now. There's still some up there. But yeah, we're almost at Meath now, probably another 5 or 10 minutes. And we shall be at Meath Quarry. We'll have a little sit down there, have a drink, and then slowly make our way back. So let's go. Well guys, we made it to Meath Quarry. I'll spin you around in a bit and let you have a look, because I just tried filming there and you can't even see me because the background just it's like a silhouette. So, but yeah, it's gonna sit here and chill for a little while. I don't know whether I'll show you anything on the way back, because you've pretty much seen it on the way out here, unless anything exciting or different happens. Yeah, just gonna sit here for a little while, chill out a bit, and then make a move back. Got another 16 miles back. Just gonna have a nice steady ride, and I think that will do us for the day. Then it's gonna be relaxing for the rest of the afternoon, and then work tomorrow, unfortunately. But oh well. It's been a nice day, so it's nice to get out, enjoy the weather. Hopefully it's gonna start improving. We had that one heat wave, I said, you know, a couple of weeks back, and then it's been crap for a couple of weeks. It was like really cold, windy all the time, raining. Hopefully now we're getting back into some decent weather. So yeah, fingers crossed for that, and then hopefully some more adventures on the bike, maybe some camping. We'll see what happens. But anyway, appreciate you watching guys, and I suppose I'll catch you on the next one. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you.